Here is the fridge for the Middie and the Mini American Girl doll set. These are actually the door handles, so you'll glue them on like that if you want, on the door. Here's the door, the inside, the walls, the bottom and top. Here's the front. I decided to paint the inside silvery white. This will be going right here. And this is the separation between the freezer and the fridge part. I have now glued all the pieces together to make assembly much quicker. I'm going to start with the back. And I tried not to paint where this would go together, the bottom on there. And I pre-painted all these pieces just to make it easier, so I can just go back and touch up the corners and the sides.